Hello, I'm going to explain how to maintain your Globe vacuum cleaner. Release the bin lid until it clicks. Removing the canister, you can then press on the little flap. This is then release the flaps and allows you to empty the dirt into the bin. To clean the filters, lift up the latch, tilt the head back, and you can then remove the HEPA filter. This then also allows you to remove the screw by rotating it anti-clockwise. To take the cyclonic unit out, drop the bin empty flap and remove the cyclonic unit from the base. To clean this filter, you can either wash it under a tap of running water or you can submerse it in some warm water. We do recommend that once a year you change these filters, and you can do this by going to our service website. To put the cyclonic unit back together, put the main cyclone back up inside the unit. Take the screw, take the HEPA filter and place back in the top, close the lid until it clicks. Turn the bin unit around, ensuring that it locates in the bottom, and then push all the way back until it clicks. To clean the filter at the bottom, tilt the cleaner back, take your thumb and pull the filter forward to remove. To clean this filter, you can wash it under the tap or submerse it in some warm water. It's always good to replace these annually, and you can do so by going to our service website. Place it back in the cleaner and push down until it clicks. Replace the unit upright. If your vacuum cleaner is potentially blocked, we need to check the hose to make sure that it's clear. Take the one end of the hose out and remove the other end from the base of the cleaner. To unblock your hose, find a broom handle or a pole. Feed this into the neck of the hose and push all the way down until it comes out of the bottom. This will then push out the obstruction out the other end. To check that our hose is clear, we'll use a pound coin, and if it falls right through to the bottom, we know that it's clear. If your vacuum cleaner is not picking up, we need to check to see if the brush is going round. Switch the vacuum cleaner on and tilt back to see if the brushes are going round. And remember to keep your hands clear of the brush. You need to turn your vacuum cleaner over and remove these 11 screws. Now, holding the lid, carefully turn over the cleaner onto its back. Next, we remove the lid, being careful for the slider not to pop off. We can now remove the broken belt. To remove the brush, push up on this end first and then slide out the other end. To place the brush back in, simply locate it in the one end first until it clicks. Place the belt over and then locate the other side in with the pips facing down and push all the way in until it simply clicks into place. Then, in one very easy motion, stretch the belt all the way back until it clips over the edge of the motor. Give it a little spin to make sure that it's perfectly aligned, and it's as easy as that. Replace the lid by pushing up the button, placing over the top, press down firmly and locate the slider in the receptacle. Now with the lid on, turn the vacuum cleaner over on its front and begin to replace the screws back in the base. Now turn the vacuum upright again. Place the hose back in the base, and that's now complete.